Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this middle of the day market update. Wanted to do one today in the weekend, which I don't always do because today we had, and right now as well, we have a lot of volatility. All right, and a lot of coins have actually rallied quite a bit over the course of today and this afternoon. So just wanted to give you my thoughts on the markets right now, look at what's interesting. Certain categories such as AI have performed quite well, real world assets are still performing well. Bit of a pullback right now, but we'll talk about that. So let's get right into it. I hope you're having a great weekend, by the way. And the first thing I wanted to talk about is the altcoin season, all right, or alt season. Because a lot of people think it has already started. In my opinion, it has not started yet. However, we are now at a point where it can start. The main thing you have to watch for the alt season is the Bitcoin dominance, all right? And what you can see right now, and that is also one of the reasons why I personally took some profits earlier today. As you can see from the Bitcoin dominance, this has been very, very bearish since the 21st of November. So that created huge opportunities for altcoins, as most of you have known. And in the Signal group, we also made a ton of profit. So if you don't know, I have my own Signal group in which I share all of my trades, spot and futures. It's profitable, but it's also very much based around learning, education, and becoming a better trader yourself. So if you're interested in that, consider joining. Links will be down in the description. But these were great market circumstances. But now, if we zoom out, you can see that this is the first time in a while that the Bitcoin dominance has been this bearish. The thing is that we are still in an uptrend. All right, and we are now at the bottom of that uptrend. So this is very much a make it or break it scenario where we either break down below here, so we start a downtrend, and that's called an alt season because that means that altcoins will outperform Bitcoin, and that is what we want. Or, and that is so far what's happening, or we bounce, Bitcoin dominance goes back up again, and Bitcoin might actually hold its own, but then altcoins will suffer, all right? And that is one of the reasons, in combination with right now being the weekend, that I think some short-term trades are definitely possible. And today you could have made quite a lot of money with WorldCoin, with Fetch, with Ondo, for example. Those have been quite strong when we were less correlated. But now everything is getting back into that correlation. You can see the Bitcoin dominance on the short term here is also bouncing a bit after finding a very strong support here. So I think it's most likely that at least on the short term, Bitcoin dominance is going higher, all right? So that means less favorable circumstances for altcoins. There will still be possibilities. And for Bitcoin itself, I mean, Bitcoin looks fine. I think Bitcoin will actually most likely just consolidate in some sort of a range right here between 98 and 93 or 94,000. All right, so Bitcoin will be fine. But if Bitcoin moves sideways and the Bitcoin dominance goes up, that means that altcoins go down. All right, so that is something I do think you need to be aware of. And then in between everything, you can still find some opportunities. I mean, right now, like when you take a look at AI coins, today they were an opportunity. I don't think they are anymore. Fetch, for example, found strong resistance. If something like Fetch breaks above $2, I would buy. But for now, I would wait for the pullback. And the same is for WorldCoin here, trying to break out above a major level here. If it does, could be a buy opportunity. Right now it hasn't yet. So I would stay away. Same with BitTensor at a very strong resistance level right now. If we break above that, and the Bitcoin dominance goes down because that is crucial, then it's an opportunity. Otherwise, just wait it out, all right? All of these AI coins at the moment are at levels where I personally would not buy. I would wait if we break out. If we do, great. If we don't, wait for the pullback. And AI coins and the AI category in general is a great category to be positioned in. So I would buy after pullbacks or DCA into them at least. But that's the main narrative over the course of today. Like I said, RWA coins are also doing quite well. I talked about Ondo earlier today, but if the Bitcoin dominance, I know I sound like a broken record player now, but that has to be bearish. All right, if that's bearish, then Ondo can, for example, break above its current resistance here at 1.3 and rally into 1.5. Like I said, RWA, also a great narrative. Or something like Token, which we are also positioned in with the Signal group, can then break above this level right here at 0.7 cents and rally much, much higher. So the possibilities are definitely there, but most of the coins right now are at resistance, while Bitcoin dominance is at support, and while it is the weekend, right? So those, in my eyes, are not ideal market circumstances, and I think you should be cautious as well. We are in bullish market circumstances, so opportunities will be there, and you should definitely still take those opportunities. But I would be a little bit more selective with what you buy and what you don't buy, because I don't think that the circumstances right now are that you can just buy anything and it will go up, all right? Which were the market circumstances last week. So take that into account, but that's what I think you need to know. For now, like I said, I think Bitcoin will stabilize. It looks like altcoins will suffer a bit more, some more than others, but that leads to more opportunities. All right, so take those opportunities and stay focused. And those are my thoughts. So have a great rest of your weekend. I'll see you all in my next videos, and thank you for watching. Take care and bye.